DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Alright, YouTube, that's what we deal with today. Yeah, man, we're back with another one. Today we got Deva Bratt. You see me, dog, back with the dropping another track. You see me, we just reacted to Letter from Hell Part 2. And you don't know, he's sending shots at multiple people. You see me, I say, including World Boss himself. But now, we drop another one, the one that we lock everything. You see me, I say, yeah, we're gonna check it out and swear that. I don't think this one is a this sound like it's a track it out release. You see me, but we're gonna check it out, because you can't just check out the artists when they are beef, you know. And when they can, you gotta check out the songs them too. You see me, but you don't know, Deva Bratt is very talented. A lot of people was saying like this that he's been dropping could be the return of Deva Bratt. You see me, I say, oh, we don't know, we're gonna check it out and swear dog, I deal with gang. We don't go all over the vibe much to hang out, we'll check it out. Deva Bratt, we lock everything, let's get it.
Hey, rude boy, don't ramp with that one now. Shopping from the top to the very last drop. Be Marshall, we no partial. We no partial. Alright, well. Alright. We got the guns and we got all gear. Listen to
Jaja, what go on? Yo, this one I kind of have a little throwback feel to it though. Like, you know, being have this one released.
Hey, we lock everything, girls, and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far.
Whenever I think they never far, no, right? Come on.
Watch me then, blood splash out and dash past straight. Them see road boy you pass and them go make wrong speech. See them in a bad man play and come a chat off me. And make you till the
Hey, I kind of like this car. This kind of have like a fusion of dancehall and reggae, dog. You see me, this like have the throwback reggae feel with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, alright.
Them face down pan concrete, you say. We lock the place with money, girls and guns. You want to work off in the world and come. I want to know where them are govern with them teeth and tongue. Cause man, we slap it up and knock it like we are beat one jump.
Easy now, come in.
We lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them go disrespect and check them and go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far.
Dog sound like you never on some Russell, dog. That sound like you never on him bombard. Huh? Sizzle blow, think they vibe right.
We lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. I shoot out, shot a go clap me gun pop off from me waist. Hey me, nozzle a spark and shot a clot in her face. No boy no.
Nozzle a spark and shot a clot in her face, boy. Know that?
Give me no talk when me march in the place. Man I go left the weakness to inform on the case. Hurry up, me say fi left the corner me case. Me know say them a chicken, give them corn ya fi taste.
Yeah, me, we know say them a chicken, give them corn fi taste, man. Yeah, man, hold them, yeah.
File down, the fiberglass get replaced. The serial number erased. Boy, if you know them.
File down. Hey, dog, say your serial number is.
We lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it
far. See me, you know, that's one of the laps. Things I think they never know they right this so. Round this, round the corner, round the part. What the fuck is the funny ways right now? What you do?
Then watch me turn. We lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Be Marshall, we no partial.
I like this. This give you a old school vibe. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. The one of them vibe you can put. I ain't gonna lie. Starting off, I was like, what kind of throwback, old school vibe? What kind of, you know, the beat sound old. I ain't gonna lie to you, that's the first impression. But listening to it, I can see where they took like the older beat, sample it, and then give it like a little modern touch to it. So, but it's still gonna give you that old school nostalgic feel. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, I'm like, at first I was just like, yeah, what kind of, but as the more go on, I'm like, okay, I see, okay, no, yeah, all right.
Alright, well, alright. We got the guns and we got all gear. You never know. Hey, rude boy, don't ramp with that one now. Shopping from the top to the very last drop. Listen to this. Hey, we lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try no nothing star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Then watch me turn.
Deva Bratt. Yeah man, when I found in fathers of the Portmore Empire Guys Empire, you see me and say gang, yeah man, big up Deva man, dog, definitely put in work. You see me? Very talented artist. His reign came, Deva Bratt's reign came to an end prematurely. I'm not even gonna lie to you. After he got accused of certain stuff what we're not gonna mention. You see me, his career took out quickly, you know, down for. But before that, Deva Bratt was going great. He was dropping hits. You see me, I say make hit songs, he was talking the tone, you see me, I say he was making vibes, you see me, I say so. But once he got accused of the whole situation, and that kind of took a toll on his career, and that's where his downfall really began. To where we end up with this modern situation right now, where Vybz Kartel is on the fix and talking about, you know, really talking about everyone in the world, you know. But yeah, unfortunate situation. He only got accused, never got charged for it, so big up to Deva. You see me, I say, but yeah man gang, that situation, but Deva is still very talented. You see me, I'm still very talented, still can make songs. You see me, you can tell from Homage and Letter from Hell. You see me, I say that man still got that fire burning. He can definitely make tunes if he got the right rhythm and he got the right producer working with him. He can make hits. I think this song that you just released, I just believe that you released that because that's what he, you know, that's the beat that he have access to. But I'm telling you, if you get good engineers and modern beat them, yeah man, Deva can make some wicked tune. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, gang, let me know anything about that one in the comment section. If you like it, I should have asked the ones for making us a dance, you know. I don't know, 2025 gang, road to 10K. I've been at 10K, man. I wasted the last 3 months of the year. I could have hit 10K easily. But your boy was going through some stuff, stressed out, all type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? But we back. 2025, better than ever. I'm going straight to the top. You see me? Yeah, so hit the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10K before my birthday. My birthday is in 28 days, January 30th. I think we can do it. You see me, right now I'm only 35 away from 8K, so right now I only need like 2,035 subs to 10K. I would love if y'all can help me hit that. That would be great. I appreciate y'all, gang. Well, yeah, man. Till next time. You don't know, yeah. So hit the like and subscribe button. You see me, drop a comment. Let me know anything about it. If you like it, should have to someone support, make you know side of dance, you know. Yeah, man. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up. Yeah, let's talk about it. Let's get a dialogue going, man. Yeah, I'm trying to hit 10K. And not only that, I'm trying to get better videos for y'all that y'all can watch. You see me? And trying to make better videos for y'all. Y'all can watch all the way through, watch and repeat. I'm trying to improve the content overall on the channel. But I don't know. Things take time, but it's coming together. You see me? I said, but yeah, man, gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know, 20. Happy New Year, gang. I didn't even make a Happy New Year video for you guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.